Hey there, auto enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the world of practical, budget-friendly cars with a surprising dose of style and performance. Meet the 2025 Dacia Sandero, a hatchback that redefines what it means to get great value for your money. Let's see why this car might just be your next smart buy. The first thing you'll notice is the Sandero's fresh new look. Dacia has given this 2025 model a modern facelift, with sleek LED headlights, a bold front grille, and sharp contours that exude confidence. It's no longer just an affordable car, it's one that you'd be proud to show off in your driveway. Step inside and the surprises continue. The Sandero's cabin is more refined than ever. It offers premium materials, ergonomic seats, and an impressive amount of space for both passengers and cargo. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or just running errands, comfort comes standard. Oh, and let's not forget the tech. The 7-inch touchscreens with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keeps you connected, while advanced driver assist features like lane keeping assist and automatic emergency braking keep you safe. But what's a car without great performance, right? The 2025 Sandero comes equipped with a 1.0-liter turbocharged engine delivering 90 horsepower. It's not speed demon, but it's perfect for city driving and weekend getaways. Plus, with a lightweight design and improved suspension, you'll enjoy a smooth and responsive ride every time. And here's the cherry on top: fuel efficiency. The Sandero offers an impressive 54 miles per gallon, making it an economical choice for those who want to save at the pump without sacrificing performance. In a world of rising fuel costs, this car keeps your wallet happy. Dacia also offers a variety of trims to suit every need, from the no-frills essential model to the fully loaded prestige version. Choose your favorite color and features, and you've got a car that feels tailored just for you. The 2025 Dacia Sandero isn't just a car. It's a smart investment. It's perfect for families, first-time buyers, or anyone who values practicality and style without breaking the bank. Priced from just $15,000, it's a deal that's hard to ignore. So what do you think? Could the 2025 Dacia Sandero be your next ride? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more car reviews. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.